I know everybody I go like we, still we irate. Come in no love likes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys a new style that I'm going to be doing with these lock curls, these old lock curls I should say. Now they've dropped. They're still a bit curly, but they've dropped, so I'm just gonna do a quick protective style with my hair. Now these ones in the front, as you can see here, they've completely dropped. There's like no curls. Look at that. So I'm just going to do 2 braids on the side and leave the ends curly. So if you'd like to see why I do that, keep on watching. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for clicking into the video. And let's get into this. So first, I'm just gonna spray my roots with the rose water, just my roots alone. I'm not gonna do my locks because I do not want the rest of the curls to drop. I'm gonna massage it a little bit. Then after that, I'm going to oil my scalp alone once again. And as I do that, when I'm finished, I'm going to rake the rest oil from my scalp throughout my locks. So this way my locks are not too moist, you know what I'm saying? I don't want the rest curls to drop. So this is what I mean by raking the oils from my root throughout the locks. Just raking it just like that. So I'm just sectioning my hair into 2. I'm going to start with one side first. And I'm just going to braid it from the tip to the back, pretty much. I'm not retwisting, nothing like that, because my hair was interlocked about less than a month, probably about 3 weeks. So I'm not interlocking, I'm not twisting, nothing. It's just old curls, know what I'm saying? And as I'm braiding back, I am picking up a lock as I go along. So as I braid, I pick up a lock and put it into the braid. So this way I get all the locks in, and then as I get to the back, I'm just gonna secure it with a rubber band. I'm not gonna braid it all the way to the end. I'm gonna stop right there, and I'm going to put an elastic to secure it.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.